So today I'm going to show you how to clean up your nails during a manicure. This is the brush that I use. It's a number 4 and it's a Kolinsky sable brush. If you use a synthetic brush, you'll find that the fibres will degrade with the acetone that you use. This brush was advertised as being used for acrylic nails, and what I like about it is it has a nice slanted end to it. I use 100% acetone, which I store in this pump bottle. You can buy these bottles off Amazon or eBay for not a lot of money, but it's quite a good quality pump. And you'll need a piece of kitchen towel, a bit of paper towel. Now, just for the purpose of demonstration, I've done different tones of colour here. Dark blue, I find dark blue or black is the most difficult to clean up, and quite often that stains the skin quite badly. Red can also, it depends on the tone of red and the polish, but darker colours definitely can be a challenge. So if you are a novice to painting your nails, I would suggest you start with a light to medium tone until you get the method, and then gradually try darker colours. Now, I always clean up after every coat of polish. I find it's better that way. You get a better line and it's easier to apply the next coat of polish as well, because you've got your nice line from the first clean-up. So you need a good reservoir of acetone, and then you need to saturate your brush really well, and then I just tap on the side like so. I always start with cleaning up on the skin around the tips here and just underneath the tips. Just very gently wipe across with the brush, and then I dab it on the paper towel. Then I go back in and saturate the brush again in the same method. And gently wipe it across, a couple of wipes, and then on the paper towel again. And you can pull the skin back quite easily, because you don't want any of this nail polish remover on the actual nail to remove that polish. Try a little bit more, because as I say, dark blue is the worst colour for staining skin. There. If in doubt, and it's a dark colour, I will just swipe once and then clean it off on the paper towel, load up again, swipe again, because sometimes you can, if you were to swipe a couple, 2 or 3 times, you will then stain the skin with that polish, particularly a red or a blue. So just one and then wipe again. Sometimes you can do one swipe, wipe off with the paper towel, and then go back in without reloading, because there might be a bit of liquid left here, so you might be able to swipe it again. This is quite a light red. It's not a particularly heavily pigmented red, so it's actually slightly easier to get it off the skin. It's not too difficult, this one. With this, because it is fairly light in thickness, I will probably have to do 3 coats. So again on the pink. Obviously light pinks again are a lot easier. Sometimes I find like the blue, greens can stain quite a lot and be difficult to remove. Again, just take your time, there's no rush. It's better that it's done well and your end result is really good. This is the tricky part. You have to be relatively steady with your hand. It does take practice. You can balance your finger there so that you have more control. It's just practice. It just takes practice. I wasn't very good at this when I first started, and it's just practice. So again, make sure that you load up the brush really well. And then what I do to make sure I haven't got too much on the brush, I just dab it just once on the skin, just to take that little bit off. And with the dark colours, I always do one swipe and then clean off, and then load up again, one swipe, clean off, because I don't want to reintroduce this dark colour into the cuticle line here and flood the cuticle and stain here, because that is very difficult to get off once you do that. And then sometimes you still have a bit of staining on the brush, so just saturate it and then just clean it off again until you know it's clean again. And it takes time after the first coat, but this is the most important cleanup, because once you've got a good line, it's a lot easier to apply the next coat of nail polish, because you have a line to work with. Let's just clean that off, because in case I've got some red on my brush. Now on this now, I flooded the cuticle a bit, mostly to show you how you can clean it up. You wouldn't be able to clean it up very well if this was a dark colour, but as it's a lighter colour, it should clean up fine. That's the cleanup on the first coat done. So I shall now apply a second coat and we'll start again. So as before, I'll take it off the skin at the top of the nail. So as you can see, there's a lot less cleanup to do the second time around because I've had a good line to work with. So it's just a case of just going around the edge and just taking off any little bits that might have come over that line. And I think I should do one more coat on all of these just to give a good depth of colour. So final cleanup now. Now you really want to pay attention to detail on this one because this is the finish coat, so you really want to make sure that it's really nice clean lines ready for the top coat. So now I shall apply the top coat just to show you how good it will look. So as you can see, it really is worthwhile doing. It gives it that lovely professional finish, and you don't have to be fantastic at painting your nails. Anyone can do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you found this demonstration helpful to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.